Welcome to Wisdovision. Today, we gonna know about entrepreneurial skills. First, we should know about human activities. Are the activities performed by human beings to meet their requirements are called human activities. Types of human activities. Economic activities means objective is to earn money like business, profession, employment. And next, non-economic activities means objective is to not earn money like doing social works, old age homes, orphanage. In this, we gonna only know about economic activity that to about business because entrepreneurship means business. Business is defined as an organization or enterprising entity engaged in commercial, industrial, or professional activities. Businesses can be for-profit entities or non-profit organizations. Next, we gonna know about characteristics of business. Economic activity. An economic activity takes place when resources such as capital goods, labor, manufacturing techniques or intermediary products are combined to produce specific goods or services. Creation of utility means a measure of the satisfaction a person receives in the use of goods. Profit motive means the desire to make a profit. Element of risk is an item from a failed test or a user-defined item that could potentially impact the security of the system based upon threats and vulnerabilities to the information system. Business is two types. First one is industry. Means activities related with the production, and second one is commerce. Means activities related with selling and distribution. Industry is three types, they are primary, secondary and tertiary industries. And commerce is also two types, they are trade and aids to trade. I think this content is useful for you.